And it's still no good. Aurelia long pass. Rambo yung pinabitin and number 12, 14. Bravo place. Oh, Nageli. Pass. Fires floater of the window. Bucket and one. Gonzalez inside pass. One bounce fakes clutch fire. Using the window and a good. And we are in Pangasinan Intertown. And a jump ball. First ball possession, Santo Tomas to the corner. Launch on 3 of the target. And here's number 11 for Umingan. Number 8. The cross pass to the middle. Pull-up jumper of the target. And the rebound for Santo Tomas. Number 5. Between the legs. Cruz goes to the middle, to the wings, traveling to the heights, the Tipagan, recover, pinabitin, fires, in and out, rebound, put back, is still no good. And the rebound for Umingan, here's number 11, he's on Harry, Bumanga, and a foul. And here's Santo Tomas, pinapagpag yung damit, he's at the tip, to the wings. Pass to the baseline, pull-up jumper of the, won't go. And ball is stolen. Here's Labasan. He attacks, goes to the rim. Bucket. Change favor. Gonzalez for the receive. Dribbling the ball. Sumegway. He goes to the wings. To the baseline floater of the target. Pass break. And all alone easily. And here's number 8. Gonzalez. So he spins. A little spans bump. And posting up. Hiccup, spins, looking for receiver, he pass to the wings, Gonzalez bounce pass inside, Kumaldag and Bucket for 2. And at the logo, Nares, pass to number 5, Rambuyo, pass to the middle, pull up jumper, the free throw, no good, rebound, put back, and a bound 14 for the 3, bang, 3, Velare. Dribbling the ball, number 1. He pass to the corner and attacks to the middle. Oh, Sales with the ball. Number 8. Sumegway attacking to the middle and pass. Oh, the love and nice pass. And he close the mid lane. Goes to the middle. Lace off the window, won't go. Rebound Gonzalez. And Gonzalez. Pass to the baseline, pass back, Gonzalez, inside pass, one bounce, fakes, clutch fire, using the window and a good, and here you go, stop, launch on 3, bam, 3, and Umingan up by 1, the bounce pass, Labasan, inside pass is stolen, and here you go, Gonzalez, and he's all the way, and 14-13 ang score natin. And here's Team Umingan. Hiccup. Gonzalez holds the ball. Pass to the middle. Posting up his pain using the body and a fires. Oh, the strong move. And here's number 5 behind the back dribble between the legs. Setting the play. Rambuyo pass. And attacks. Fires floater of the window. Bucket and a pass break. 2-on-1. 3-and-1. Against Labasan and fires off the window, Gonzalez. And here's Aurelia. Pass to the middle. Fires at 3 of the target. Nugal. Tingin si Siona tapikan. Rambuyon. Pass to Aurelia. Fires off the window. Bucket. Still no good. Aurelia, long pass. Rambuyon pinabitin and 1! Nag-play. Gonzalez, pass to the middle, natapikan, and recover, and pass Gonzalez, and pass, sakto yung pasa, to the corner, oh, pull up jumper, Bucket, Lambino. Velarde to Rambuyon, 21 holds the ball, cross pass, Velarde, he attacks, he fires block, and kicks out. Attacks, pull-up jumper. Yes, sir. Really taking it easy. He passed to the middle. Number 21 attacks, pull-up jumper. The free throw line won't go. Rebound, put back off the glass. Yes, sir. Gonzalez dribbling the ball. He goes to the middle at the top. One angle pass. Pahate. Attack to the middle. Oops. Fires. Di na tumalon. And still rebound. Fading away. Oh! And here's number 5. Rambuyon. Pass to Basan. Corner pass. Baseline. Creating some space. He attacks. Reverse layup of the glass. Oh, 2 up. And here's Gonzalez. He's on hurry. Pass break. Pahate. Lace. Short. Oh! Muntik na yun. Sinausaw na sana. For the inbound. Here's Pahate. Fires on 3. Off the target. Rebound. Oops. That's and second quarter action. A pass na pa sa 3. Short. And number 10. Goes. Oh! Lumipad! Here's number 20. Using his body, tumulak konti. Stops looking for receiver. He spins. He pass to number 10, Pahate. A little bit spin. Corner pass. Baseline drive. Far spin. Nabitin. Too strong. And still, rebound number 12, 14. Huminga. Oh, place. Oh, nag-gel. Santo Tomas. And he's stolen. And he drives. Block. Pass. Oh, the recovery and the finish. And along po is corner. Sa 3. Won't go. Oop. And there's Castro. And natapikan ni stolen. And a pass break. And tinignan pa yung guardian reverse line. Corner pass. Liberato to the middle. Nares. And here's number 3. To the wings. Stops. Oops. Spins. And labasan. Uy! And 1. Labasan. Nares. Pass to Lagasca. Hook shot. Too strong. Lambino. Long pass. Gonzalez. Bounce pass to the middle. Libre. The good connection and a good... Gutierrez. Lambino stops. Bounce pass to the middle. Up Lugal sa gilid. Fires off the glass. And Rambuyon goes to the rim. Bakit lagi ba? Agunos stops. Little spin. Pass to the middle. Pituesa. Dugal. And Gonzalez.
10 seconds to shoot.
Gonzalez. Shot clock down to 8. Gonzalez, he drives to the baseline, bounce pass to the middle, and recover, attacks, create space, fading away, the falling away shot. Back to 1-point lead, Lagasca, tuloy-tuloy lays, Lagasca with the finish. Dugal. To the middle, number 19, Lambino pull-up jumper, long 2, rebound, Dugal, inside pass, Bumanga, picks, clutch, oh good, oh follow-up shot, yeah. And here's Tim, Bumingan, pull-up J, yeah good, fight for the rebound, Dugal, oy, fakes, ay, uy, pina. Rambuyan, and change favor tayo mga idol. Kicks out, corner pass, pull up J at 3, off the mark. Lambino, setting the place, stops, biglang tumila sa 3, bang! Lagasca, binit-bit, lays, oh, lag si idol. Lagasca, i-pass. And stops for 3, bang! 3, Sumingan, long pass, natapikan. Recover. Attacks Martinez, fires off the glass. So, kakapasok lang. Kabalik. He's at the logo, at the top, setting the play. And Sumigway goes to the middle. Corner fires, pull up J. Off the target. And here's Rambuyon. Binit-bit. Lace block! Kahit gaano kakalipad sa Lace. Bumawi! And natapikan, Gonzalez fires off the window, wala, di na tumalon, and 1, walang talo. 3-point lead for Santo Tomas. Pass to the middle, Nogal goes to the middle, is to corner, Martinez libre, easy. And Rambuyon, ipass to, pinasaan ang kalaban, meron na recover ni Lagasca, cross pass, corner, fakes, Bascao, reverse layup, too short. Martinez, pass, Nogal, pass to Gonzalez, 2-on-1, pass, alley-oop, pass the love, pass, and the finish. And tie game at 50. Here's Nares. I-pass to it's Rambuyon for 3. Bang! Gonzales. Si cross the mid lane. Sumegway. Natapikan. Recovery. Pahate. Bounce pass to Nogal. Nogal goes to the middle. Pass to the baseline. Inside pass. Paalsup. Natapalan. Lagaska. Long pass. Rambuyon. He goes to the corner. Oh, libreng-libre. Labasan muntik pa. Rambuyon stop. Pass at 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Pulling away. Bakit for 2. 15 goes to sa gitna. Gonzales. Floater. Short. Pass up. Labasan on Harry. Labasan goes to the middle. Fires off. And still rebound. Rambuyon. Pinasa pa. Labasan of the glass. In and out. Wala pa rin ang ilap ng bola. Ito na. Rambuyon. Aliup pass. Kala ko dangka. Castro number 20. Gonzales. Pass back Castro. Attacking the defense. Inside pass. Ang gandang pasa. And a finish. And rebound pa rin Santo Tomas. Rambuyon. Pass to the middle na tapikan. Stolen. Lambino. Hook pass. Gonzales. Lambino. Goes to the middle. Bumangga. Tumira. Brutal 6 si Idol. Gonzales. Sa gitna. Bounce pass. Fars off the glass. And 1. And it's Rambuyon. Rambuyon goes to the rib. Bilin step. No good. Basan. The rebound and the 62-61. Back to 1-point lead for Team Santo Tomas. Rambuyan. Labasan to Rambuyon. Side step. Hook shot. No basket. Gonzales asking for the pick. He uses the pick. He pass to Dicap. Dicap pull up jumper at the free throw area. Tato. And Omingan up by 2. Labasan. Pull up J. Tie game. Here's Gonzales. He's at the logo as the middle. At the top, Gonzales. He pass to Bars. Short. Rebound. Back. Another. Rambuyon Sumegway. Goes to the middle. Fires. Basket and 1. And tie game tayo. 67 all. Gonzales spins. Almost stolen. Recover. Pass inside. And at by 2. Velarde. He pass to Rambuyon. Rambuyon setting the play. Doon kasabi. Crossover. Between the legs. Pass to Labasan. Bumangga. Offensive. Gonzales. Gonzales uses the pick. He stops. Pass to Nogal. Nogal. Corner. Pull up J. Short. Fight for the rebound. Spence. Tumingan. Up by 6. Side step. Huli. Pero di ko. Sayang yun. Ang ganda na sana. Teknika. And 9-point lead. And spins. Corner. Rambino attacks. Lace block. Grabing pagkakatabal doon. Talagang binanda. Rambuyon. Nares for 3. Bang! Rebound! High pass. Number 9. De La Peña naagawan. And here you go. Labaska for 3. Bang! Back to back 3. And number 8. Gonzales. Lagaska. He goes to the corner. Baseline behind the back. Dicap. Dicap. Pass to Nogal. Nogal. Pass to the middle. Recover of the glass. Too strong. And rebound. Bagsak. Bound. Nogal looking for receiver. Pass to the middle. Perfect execution. Rambuyon. Rambuyon goes with kicks out. Nares kicks out. Open for 3. Lagaska. Short. Fight for the rebound. And fast. Rambuyon with the finish. And it's Gonzales. 4-point lead for Umingan. And Dicap loses the ball. Recover. Fires off the glass. Gonzales. 7-point lead. Nogal. Nogal. Stops. Corner sa 3. Short. Rebound. Pass break. Hinabol ngayon. Rambuyon. Lagaska, hook shot, bakit? Lagaska. Lagaska, ipas. Hook, stolen. Gonzales. Dalawa, block! Butatang inabot. Grabe yun. And there's Rambuyon to the rim. Easy to Rambuyon. And here's number 8, Rambuyon. Labasan, pull up J. Tips in. Coming from. Natapikan. And stolen. Uy! Naris, bakit? Kakaldag, bounce pass. Crook pass. Nogal. Pass to Gonzales. And sa gitna, D-Cup. Stop, create space. Pinasa loob. Labir off the glass. And a 3-point lead. And Gonzales. And baseball pass inside. Pasalub. And the finish. And here Nogal. Nogal looking for receiver. And Nogal. Pass. Bakaldag. Spins. Offensive. Rambuyon. Bounce pass. Picks. Natapikan. Stolen. And Gonzales. Block. And foul. 89-86. 2 minutes and 19 seconds. And Nabagel. Long pass. And D-Cup spins. D-Cup. I-pass to Nogal. Pass to Gonzales. Dalawa yung gumulo. D-Cup. And fakes. Class hook shot. Wala. Put back. And one. D-Cup. Nogal to the middle. Gonzales. I-pass. D-Cup. Natapikan. Nauna na. Rambuyon. Easy to. Down to 1 clock. 19 seconds to shoot. 1 point lead. Natapik. Ragaska. Rambuyon. Attacking the defense. And the pass inside block. And the foul. Uy. Natanggal yung sapat. First free throw. In and out. Last and final free throw. Tie game. And 44 seconds. Pinasa yun. And nauna na. Alley-oop pass. Hindi pumasok. Put back. Bakit? And 2 point lead. Umingan. 35 seconds. Rambuyon. Drive. And he fires. Bakit? Tie game. And long pass. Bola ngayon ng Santo Tomas. 7 seconds on the game clock. And Rambuyon with the ball. Bounce pass. Labasan. Nares. Si pass corner. Long two. Bakit? For the win. Ragaska. Ito na. Wala nang timeout. Kicks out. Nogal. Look pass inside libre. Tiger. Long pass. And here you go. Sa 3. Kondo. Nogal. Pass to the middle. Castro. Nogal. Inside pass. Lace. Bagay. Bounce pass. Rambuyon. Gonzales against Rambuyon. Rambuyon stops. Natapikan. Rambuyon for 3. Bang! And Gonzales uses the screen. Offensive foul. Rambuyon, he drives. Goes to the middle. Lusot! Wala! Big bucket! And pass. And you go. Kupay foul. 100-102. Bucket. And he pass back. Nares. Downs pass. Uses the spins. And kicks out. Natapikan. Lumig sumegway. Oop! 101, 102. 2 minutes 55 seconds. Tie game. 101, Lagasca. Lagasca. Ipas. Nares. Liz. Nares for the lead. Nogal. And pass. No, look. Pass inside. Pinabitin block. And change favor tayo. 1 point lead for Santo Tomas. Bounce pass. Oops. May foul. And we are tied at 104. Labasan ni spin. Slays. So short. One minute 20 seconds. Nogal. Castro. Little bit spin. Another spin. Lost the ball. Recover. Inside pass. Another pass. Inside pass. Bucket. And it's number 8. Lagasca. And 55 seconds on the game clock. Sa 3. Loses the screen. No inside fight lays. Bucket. Another change. Lagasca nagmamadali. Lagasca. 108-107. Lagasca. Lagasca use. Asking for a pick. Lagasca pass. And Diaz labasan. Bullseye! 1 point lead. And pass to the middle. Nogal. Watake. Pinasa. Bumanga. Fire. Short. Fight for the rebound. Another zone shot kicks out. Castro. 22 seconds. Nogal. Pass to Gonzalez. Castro for 3. Bam! Rambuyan. Crossover. Nakalusot. Rambuyan. Short. Rebound. Put back. Tagging. Labasan. 12 seconds. May pass. Tatapikan. And here you go. Set the ball. And it's Rambuyan. For 3. 1 go. Rebound ulit. Rambuyan ulit. Wala pa rin. Put back. Short. Wow! Another tie game. Overtime. And here's Gonzalez. Side step. Wala. Naisagawan. Lagasca stop pull up J. Bucket for the and pass. Nogal. Pass Pablo. Middle. Gonzalez sa 3. Wala. Fight for the rebound. And the long pass. Nauna na. Velarde binitbit lace. May foul. No basket. Lambino sa 3. Short. Rebound. Inside pass. Fires off the glass. Bucket. Asuncion. Rambuyan. Slowly moving down. Rambuyan drives. Inside pass. What a find and a finish. Domingo. Lambino sa 3 ulit. Bang! Down to 3-point lead. For team Santo Tomas. Velarde. I-pass to Labasan. Labasan setting the play. And that's attacks. And Labasan lays. Pablo. And Lambino stops. Para sa 3. Lambino, another free throw bucket. Pablo, number 14. Gonzalez. Pablo sa 3. Wala. Gonzalez. Oops. Nadali yung pa. Offensive. Nogal. Corner sa 3. Short. Bullseye. And congratulations, Santo Tomas.